one. Immediately, low expectations, grabbing some cubes. Cyberpunks 2.0, dispensing some cubes in the back of our tower. Low expectations, looking to reset their robot. And Cyberpunk 2.0 finishes getting some more cubes in that second tower to try to get that uniform goal bonus. They're also getting some of those red cubes off those posts for 5 points each. And Cyberpunk 2.0 is grabbing some more cubes. Get those reds off. So 25 seconds, you must have switched trackers. Looks like low expectations is going for a big score here. 15 seconds. Only 15 seconds left. They drop 3 teams in. 10 seconds left. Let's see if any of these teams can successfully park. And both teams managed to get a partial park.
Okay.
All right, moving back to the Spirit Field qualification match 73. We have 62026G Soccer King